Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Sweebe Bottle Brush, long stainless steel handle, and 3 things you need to know. This is especially handy if you've got those plastic bottles for SodaStream. Now this will work with other things, don't get me wrong, but I had some bottles getting a little bit on the ripe side of life, and just putting them in the dishwasher alone didn't always get everything out. And plus, you want to really know that you got the worst of it out before you put it in the dishwasher. But we'll deal with that later. Thing number 1, this is made from food grade nylon. Now that may not sound like a big deal, but it really is. Because there's, as with different kinds of motor oils, there's different kinds of nylon. And you want food grade nylon so you don't have some of the either impurities or other chemicals that are really not good to have in contact with something that you're going to drink. Now, this assures safety because you're limiting what's going in that bottle, and no odor or chemical residue, which is a big deal for me because I got enough problems as it is without inviting some. Thing number 2, the handle is crafted from high quality 304 stainless steel, which means you can really put some body English and getting that bottle or whatever you're working on clean. And I'll tell you this much, it's got me sold because again, my primary focus was getting the SodaStream bottles, which I normally keep them all filled with water so that when I'm ready to either have soda, or I'll use sometimes, non-carbonated things in them. That way I've got cold water ready to go without having to use ice cubes. But that's another story. Thing number 3, this is a 15-inch long handle on the scrubber so that you can get down into some of these taller jars, bottles, whatever you're going to use this on, so that you can really do the best job of getting it clean regardless of the shape or the size of the bottle. I would suggest though that once you've got this done, run it through the dishwasher. Make sure now that you got the worst of it out, that you pick up you make a reasonable attempt at picking up everything you can out of the bottle. So take a look at this one. I've been very pleased with it, and you've seen, if you've watched this video pretty much all the way through, you've seen several pictures where I'll call it's a before and after, and that's without going through the dishwasher, which I'm going to do just to be on the safe side. So take a look at this one and think about getting one today. It's going to be one of the better purchases that you will have made.